Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a rounded rectangle shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I make rounded rectangle shape in this document. At first, you have to go insert menu, then click drawing option, then press plus new. Now you can see here are shape option. Click these shapes and find your rounded rectangle. Now you can see here are my rounded rectangle. Just select this rounded rectangle shape. Now draw this shape. Now I change the shape color. Go to fill color option and choose dark red. Then press save and close. Now you can see I make rounded rectangle in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.